Wait.
Alright, so we're pretty much up to the step rails.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we're at the step rails over here.
See? That's pretty deep. I don't know if we should go any further.
The road dips down a bit.
Yeah. So we shouldn't go any further, but this is pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be a lot shallower than this.
I really did too. I'm disappointed now.
Now you just gotta back up on this.
Oh yeah, you can go straight back.
Yeah, just go straight back. Am I in your way?
This is one of those moments where I wish I had like a lifted Tacoma or something to just fucking blow through here.
No way. Really? Yeah, we got it really right. You know what's funny? Like all Terran Concealers are